Good day, children. Today we will be doing a little bit of revision in French. In today's video, I will also discuss with you the format of the French question paper. Children, this time your paper is not going to be an MCQ paper. You will not have multiple choice questions. Alright, I repeat, this time you will not have an MCQ paper. You will not have multiple choice questions. You know what an MCQ paper is. You have already done it in the past. A question has been asked and you have to pick the correct answer from the choices given below. This time it will be a normal question paper. A 10-mark paper will be a normal question paper. You will have no choices given. So you need to study very well. You need to study your general questions very well. Alright? You need to study your grammar very well. And you need to study your vocab very well for translation and vocab. So please be very well prepared. You have to upload each sheet of paper. You need file sheets to be kept ready because you will be attempting your paper on a file sheet. I repeat, you will be attempting your paper on a file sheet. So keep it ready. Keep your file sheets ready for answering the paper. Each file sheet, you will have to click a photograph of each file sheet, and then you have to upload each file sheet. You will have a test on the 7th based on that, on the manner in which you need to upload the file sheets. So you will have a practice test on the 7th. It has been mentioned in your timetable. Alright, so let us very quickly revise the second unit portion, a little bit of it in this video. We have second unit revision in French. Your first question would be répondez. So we have répondez en français. Here you have question 1. Avec quoi vous brossez-vous les dents? With what do you brush your teeth? Je me brosse avec une brosse à dents et un dentifrice. I brush with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Remember, children, you have avec quoi brossez-vous les dents. Now here when you have avec quoi vous brossez, alright, with what do you brush your teeth? Vous brossez will change to je me brosse. Whenever you have with the vous form in the question, you will use the je form for the answer. So je me brosse avec une brosse à dents et du dentifrice. When you have vous in the question form, you answer with je. Remember, you need to also change the verb. You need to change the form of the verb, alright, in the correct conjugated form. With vous it is brosser, with je it is brosse. Now with what do you brush your teeth? It is a reflexive verb, and so vous brossez-vous, which is hyphenated here. Your answer will also be with the reflexive pronoun je me brosse. Don't forget this, you have the reflexive pronoun me here. Alright, so be very careful when you are answering. Part of the words are already in your question, children. But when it is vous brossez or vous, when you have vous in the second person plural form, alright, or the singular form, you always answer with je. Remember this, and you will also change the verb. Where it is conjugated with vous, here you conjugate it with the je form. So the verb agrees with the subject. Don't forget the conjugation. You just can't copy it as it is. Then you have quelles mettaient les filles et les femmes sur les ongles. What do the girls and the women put on their fingers? Les filles et les femmes mettent du vernis à ongles sur les ongles. Now, the girls and the women put nail polish on their fingers. This is very easy. Here you have to remember only vernis à ongles. Alright, tu vernis à ongles is what you need to remember and learn by heart, because the rest of it you take from the question itself. Les filles et les femmes mettent, M-E-T-T-E-N-T, so met. This remains as it is because the subject is in the plural form. So les filles et les femmes, if taken from the question, met remains as it is. Mette is as it is, mette is as it is. Du vernis à ongles sur les ongles. Alright, so sur les ongles is also here. Remember this, children. Sur les ongles, the whole phrase is out there in the question. You have to put it down in the answer. What you really need to know is du vernis à ongles. So girls and women put nail polish on their fingers. Right, so these kind of questions are easy, where you have the most of the statement is in the question itself. Only the one word that you need to supply is pure memory. You need to remember your vocab very well here. Now, que mettaient les filles et les femmes sur les lèvres? What do the girls and women wear on their lips? Les filles et les femmes mettaient les rouges à lèvres sur les lèvres. Alright? So the girls and the women wear lipstick on their lips. So remember, les rouges à lèvres is the only new word. Are the only new words here. But still you need to remember them very well. You need to know your vocab very well, children. Now, nommez deux rayons au supermarché. Now, name two departments at the supermarket. Les rayons au supermarché sont prêt-à-porter et chaussures. Now, you can name any two departmental stores at the supermarket. Okay, you can mention any two sections here. I leave it to you. Spelling of chaussure, sorry for the overwriting, but it is Chaussures. You'll get it in the textbook also. Next one, à quoi est la robe? This is a very important question. It always appears even in the SSC exams. The à quoi question. À quoi est la robe? La robe est en coton. Now the dress is made of cotton, en soie, or silk. You can mention any one of these. Any one of these is acceptable. Alright, children. You can even say it's made of wool or en laine, L-A-I-N-E. That is also acceptable. So children, preferably cotton and silk would be a better answer, because à quoi sometimes you could have many material nouns that a particular item could be made of. Alright, now we will next go to conjugations.